cider vinegar, and I'm gonna cleanse it slowly. Make sure you don't put it closer to your eyes because it's like some sort of Thank you so much for tuning in again. Welcome to the second video, and this video is special for the people who are dealing with pimples/acne. And if you haven't watched my last video, please make sure you do so, because I talked about the benefits of turmeric in health-wise and skin-wise, and it also includes the remedy for all skin type people, oily, combination, and sensitive. It works for all people who have, those type of skin. Without wasting time, let's talk about the ingredients that I used in this video, and which are apple cider vinegar. I have turmeric as the main ingredient because this is turmeric remedy part 2, and also I have honey, the same ingredient, used as a moisturizer for the face, and it acts to all skin type. It reacts to all skin types, doesn't choose. And also, when we talk about the apple cider vinegar acts as a cleanser. It's like, instead of using soap, you get to use the apple cider vinegar to like clean over your face and remove all the dirt before you apply it, because we want our remedies to work. So we're gonna work for it. Next up is showing you what to do and what to mix and what measurements that we're gonna have in this video. Half tablespoon of turmeric. Then we're gonna put that was half teaspoon. Sorry guys, I usually mix those two things. And 1 tablespoon of honey. So we're gonna have this, thick paste that we are going to use it later. So I'm having my paste right here. I think I should move closer. You guys. Okay. I have my paste right here. It's a mixture of turmeric and honey. We're gonna use it later. And we're gonna use the apple cider vinegar as a cleanser, like we said, so you don't have to wash your face to do it. So all you have to do is have any cotton ball or maybe cotton soft, anything for you to use it, so that we could clean our face real quick before we get to apply our paste. Okay, so this apple cider vinegar is available any supermarket you're gonna find it. It's not very difficult to find. So I'm having my cotton ball filled with apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna cleanse it slowly. Make sure you don't put it closer to your eyes because it's like some sort of acid oh god, yeah, that happens. So when you get to face that, it's very normal. So you clean yourself. Make sure you don't put it closer to your eyes because it burns. It really burns. And the burning, that means it's working, because you're cleaning up your face to remove all this dirt so that our remedy would work well. See? That is, oh my goodness, my eyes are burning. I'm back. Oh my goodness, look at my eyes. So after applying the apple cider vinegar, you have to wait for about 5 to 6 to 7 minutes so that it can work, and you don't have to wash it off. So immediately you apply, remember, This is turmeric and honey. Like I said on my last video, that turmeric does leave stain, so you have to wear a cloth that you don't care about. So you just have to apply it gently on your face, all over your face, avoiding the eye areas because it's the most sensitive part of our face. And apply it gently. Washed my face, and obviously instant results. And if you want to get a more quick results, make sure you do it twice. You repeat this mask twice a week. It's gonna work, trust me, it's really going to work. You just have to be patient because it's not like some normal chemicals that react fast, but this is natural stuff, so natural stuff do take time, but it's worth it, it's very worth it. But for some of y'all whose what is this? Turmeric is very, very yellowish. It might leave a stain on your face. Do not worry about it. Turmeric does leave stain on your face, and how to remove it, make sure you have another cotton soft. Then you have to soak it inside milk. You soak it, you fill it with milk. Then you wipe out the areas that have the stains, easy like that. So you just have to take milk, not yogurt, milk. You wipe out on the places that you've like the stains remained, but apparently I didn't keep too much, and the turmeric isn't that yellowish on this other side, so I will need to use milk. When you're done with everything, you know what's next. After removing the stain of yours or not, after cleaning your face, staying for 5 to 20 minutes. Then this is my favorite part. You get to use your favorite moisturizer, coconut oil, whatever oil that you use for your face. And as usual, I use a Vita Glow to make my skin glow.